Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Also, every experience is a learning. So let's learn more from our next interviewee. For today's interview, we have Sangeeta Raju, co-founder of Aishva Financial Services, that is AFS. Sangeeta has over 10 years experience working in technology companies including Amazon and Oracle Sibyl CRM. Launched 72pi.ai in March 2021 with a vision to bring AI-based market investment insights and quant-based stock research and portfolio analytics platform for global markets. Currently launched for both India and US markets. So let's know more about her startup and Sangeeta from herself. So good afternoon, ma'am. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Good afternoon, Tanvi. Nice to be here today.
Yeah. Ma'am, I would please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
I'm Sangeeta Raju. I'm the co-founder and director at Aishva Financial Services. It's a startup that is registered with the SEBI Investment Advisory.
Yes, ma'am. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
This was during the early lockdown months in 2020. A friend approached us asking if we were investing in markets and if we knew of any self-learning tools, because she was bored staying in the house and we're doing mostly household chores. Okay. She was overwhelmed with the information that she got from different sites and wanted us to help her find information that she could do her own research on. And she wanted more than just recommendations and screeners to understand stock performance in the ups and downs of the market.
Yeah, continue.
So she wanted to understand whether to invest in stocks that performed consistently in the past or just go with the upcoming trends in companies. And she didn't want to rely on people's knowledge. And she knew that we had an analytics background because I had worked prior in technology companies. And she also knew that we come with a lot of investment advisory work. So that's when we decided that there is a need to have this SaaS platform where investors are not looking just for tools that give data out, but also do a lot of the analytics that goes with artificial intelligence.
Okay. So ma'am, my next question to you is that what was the most difficult part that you faced in the early stages of the journey?
As you know, being the COVID time, we had a very small team. All of our software engineers, our financial analysts were remotely working, and we had to build a really good tool. We just didn't want to have a tool that gave information, but also wanted to build on the analytics platform. That was our initial idea. And this we wanted to achieve in a really quick time frame, primarily because the investor community has been growing rapidly since the COVID. And we knew that the sooner we get this product out, we'll be helping out investors to do their own research. So this meant that we did long working hours, a lot of system time, and we wanted to build a wide range of features into the product, right from screening tools, understanding fundamentals, technicals, market insights. And a lot of this meant that we had to have a lot of domain knowledge integrated into the technology, and we didn't want to miss out a single feature. We wanted to cover the whole gamut from the beginners to the experienced investors. That meant doing a lot of hours in front of the system. So that was definitely a challenge part.
Okay. So ma'am, as per my knowledge, you have an established market out there. So what was the market gap that you identified?
So I think people are investing and they do get a lot of research from their brokerage houses, and there are too many portals also giving information. But to kind of curate that and use AI ML models to give you the deep tech interface to investing was still not out there to the extent that we wanted to see in the product. And we wanted to keep this as a single platform across global markets. So our initial plan was to cover all markets of the globe, and we launched this with India and US for now. But eventually we would like to cover the global markets, because now we have the option of investing in US equities as well from India. So that was a little bit of a gap where you could use a single platform to do the research in one portal.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that I will request you to please explain your business model in detail.
So this is again, we are part of the digital world. So this is a SaaS platform, meaning service as a software. So most of our users will be like the subscription-based users. So they will be walking through our tools, and they don't have to have the finance knowledge. It offers actionable market intelligence, and it makes you a disciplined investor. So we are assuming that our subscription users will take advantage of the free trial, and we will start using a payment method based on the tools that the users will use. We are also planning an enterprise edition for institutional investors.
Okay. So, ma'am, in a gist, you have told me about your business. The next thing I want to know that what are the products and services exactly you provide to the customers?
So I think anything that starts today with stock market has to be understanding what stocks you want to invest in. So that's the stock screening process. So here we've come up with a very comprehensive filter-based system. We have about nearly 44 predefined filters that look at stocks from the fundamental, quantitative, technical analysis. And this helps you shortlist the stocks that you're investing in and build a watch list. Based on that, you can also construct your portfolio and do analysis on them. That was the first tool I thought we should start off with. We also do a portfolio analyzer. Once you have a portfolio of stocks, you would also like to analyze them from a time basis. So that's where we give the analyzer or the X-ray analyzer, where you can readjust your portfolio. You can use back-tested models to see how they have performed in the past. We also cover macro indicators and do sector-based signals. So these are some of the unique features that the product has, and it's all built into a single platform.
Okay. So, ma'am, what are your target audiences? I mean, exactly whom do you target?
As I said, we just don't want to have just an investor. We are also looking for the beginners. So this will be a product that will range from the beginners to the professional traders. A single live learning platform where you do both your research as well as have the simulated environment. You select the stocks, you build the portfolio, you do all the analysis. And when you're actually trading them with your brokerage houses, you have the confidence that you build the right portfolio for yourself with the expected target returns. So our target audiences are from the beginners who are entering the trading system for the first time, also for investors who have portfolios across multiple trading platforms.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, a couple of minutes before we discussed that you have an established market out there. So, I want to know that leaving your competitors, why one should come to your company for your products and services?
We actually offer a very simple interface. We don't clutter our tools with a lot of data, or we have actually stayed as a non-advertised portal, primarily because we want to have serious research done in the portal. So I think this is a little bit different from what the competitors have, because we run a completely simple UX where our screens are laid out with ease. And we are on the latest and the greatest technology that's available today. So it's also a safe environment. We've launched ourselves on the AWS platform. And we think that users will like our interface, and probably we will distinguish ourselves through the user interaction and experience that we have.
I'm sure, ma'am. Ma'am, the next thing I want to know that, moving forward in the similar direction, what are the 3 unique features that differ you from your competitors?
I guess the one is the AI ML models that we built are all quantitative models using machine learning techniques. So they help us to predict 1 to 3 months the relative performance of sectors and companies. And for that, we use trained models based on historical data. And these predictive models give us no human bias to it, so that we can get technology benefits out for selecting the stocks. So that's one unique feature. And the other is we've also done a very curated research of the entire Indian NSE and US NASDAQ NYSE stocks.
Okay.
and we've done detailed research both to make sure that our technology outputs are in line with what the financial analyst would see.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, till now we have talked about your products, services, the customers you have. The next thing I want to know that as a job applicant, why one should choose your company to work with?
We are a startup, so we have young talent and we always look for talent that's out there. There is no hierarchy in our organization. Every team member feels like an owner, and we actually do our best to bring out the best work that they have in them. Every job applicant raises the bar of hiring for us, and we believe that the new talent and passion keeps us going with innovation and building better products and services.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you mentioned before that you were in the same field before the startup. So, the next thing I want to know that if not this company, then what would be you doing right now?
I'm passionate about the social enterprise. Yeah, in fact, I volunteer in a couple of NGOs, especially one of them, I've been there with them for many years, is an organization called Ashray Akriti, which helps people, especially children with disabilities and hearing impaired children. So if I wasn't doing the technology product, yes, definitely a social entrepreneur. I've also done a little bit of organic farming. I started this in 2012 as a hobby, where we took care of the traditional or the Indian desi cows, and we tried to grow organic produce. So that's always there. It's part that goes along with the technology work. Maybe I would be spending more time there too.
Yeah, that's great to hear. The next thing I want to know that are you looking for any vendors to simplify any part of your business?
As always, it's good to spread the word out. So we are looking for partnerships to help us distribute our business model and also scale faster. Definitely, we would like to have partnerships on the distribution channel.
Okay. So the next thing I would like to hear that what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
The long-term plans are to actually build a do-it-yourself platform that is very simplistic, and also it has the professional, the institutional grade quality tools built in, so that more investors are doing their research on their own. At the same time, I think the short-term benefit is to have more women to be involved in financial markets. I think this is the knowledge that we are spending more time in the house and the markets are changing dramatically. So having the right tools and getting the knowledge base is also important to integrate technology for women to become part of the investment world.
That's very true, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question is that are you raising external funds, and if not, then are you planning to do so in the near future?
Yes, we are. Like all startups, we are hungry for funds. So we are looking for angel investors and VCs. And when we have the right fit, we'll definitely look forward to raising the funds.
Yeah. Ma'am, lastly, I would love to hear feedback on Startup Lanes. And if you want to say something to your viewers or our viewers, it would be great.
I think you're doing a great job in helping startups to get the reach and also spread the word out for us. It's a great opportunity. I think this is an ecosystem that has encouraged entrepreneurs, and we should continue to do that. And to consumers or the customers, I say we are in a digital world. We have to use technology as much as possible, and Startup Lane has served as a great avenue for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, lastly, if you want to thank someone from your team or friends, family, you may do so.
Definitely, friends and family have been a great support system because this is a new venture. We had to do a lot of beta trials and we needed to get good feedback. So we've improved our product and tool set and made it better with all their inputs. So definitely, I would like to thank all of them, especially my children who are also young and entering the markets because they are finishing college now. And a lot of friends who actually gave us the idea initially to start this as a SaaS product have continued to give us feedback and make this product more richer now.
That's great to hear. Ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you for your time and your crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanvi.